Sri Sandan Brahma to inaugurator of today's seminar to come over to the dais. He is Honorable Minister of Transport Assam, and I request Dr. B.K. Gohai, Chairman of Organizing Committee, to escort him to the dais. I also request Gohai sir to take his chair, sir. Next, I request His Excellency Mr. Ambassador of Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi, Mr. Kreet Kraichiti, to come over to the dais, and I request Dr. B.K. Gohai sir to escort him to the dais. Please, sir. Next, I request Sri Chona Main, Honorable Minister of Public Health Engineering, Arunachal Pradesh, to come over to the dais. Please, sir. Next, I request His Excellency Mr. Sapsin Simply, Deputy Consul General, Royal Thai Embassy, Kolkata, to come over to the dais, please. Next, I request Mrs. Ambassador, Mrs. K. Kraichiti, to come over to the dais, please. Please, madam. Please, sir. Now I request Dr. Hemaprabha Soikia, Honorable Chairman, Assam Tourism Development Corporation, to please come over to the dais. Dr. Gohai sir is escorting Madam to the dais. May I now request Mr. Anup Phukon, Member of Legislative Assembly Assam, to come over to the dais. Now I request Chairman of Organizing Committee, Dr. B.K. Gohai sir, to take his seat, and our Chairman of Sukhafa International, Dr. Phukon sir, to take over his seat. Next, we proceed to felicitate our honored guests and delegates one by one. First of all, I request to felicitate our Honorable Deputy Speaker and Chairperson of today's inaugural ceremony, Srimati Pranati Phukon, with a Seleng Sadar and a bouquet. Next, we want to felicitate Sri Sandan Brahma, Honorable Minister of Transport, etc., Assam. Now, we wish to felicitate His Excellency Mr. Ambassador, Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi, Mr. Kreet Kraichiti. Next, we wish to felicitate Sri Chona Main, Honorable Minister of Public Health Engineering, etc., Arunachal Pradesh. Now Now we wish to felicitate His Excellency Mr. Sapsin Simply, Deputy Consul General, Royal Thai Embassy, Kolkata. Sorry, this is not Royal Thai Embassy. This is the Consulate at Calcutta, Consulate for Thailand at Calcutta. Now we wish to felicitate Mrs. Ambassador, Mrs. K. Kaichit. Now we wish to felicitate Sri Pranab Gogoi, Honorable Minister, Law, Handloom, Textiles, etc., Assam. Now we wish to felicitate Dr. Hemaprabha Soikia, Honorable Chairman, Assam Tourism Development Corporation. Next, we wish to felicitate Sri Anup Phukon, Member of Legislative Assembly, Assam. Now we wish to felicitate Chairman of Organizing Committee, Dr. B.K. Guhai, with a Pulam Gamusa and a bouquet. Or not Pulam Gamusa, Seleng Sado. Now I wish to felicitate my chairman, Dr. J.M. Phukon, with a Seleng Sador and a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now